boy Crypto Millie, who is ready for the FOMC meeting. Now, from the outskirts, it looks like inflation has been trending on a mean downside, family. But you can see here on the weekly, it's trending up. On the monthly, it's also trending up. And we know Jay Powell, what he loves to do is he comes out and he says he wants to go off the data. Now, I have a theory, family. I have a theory because the last FOMC meeting, we got the federal rate pause, right? A hop, whatever you want to call it, a hop pause. And I felt like if we were going to pause, then we needed to just be done with federal rate hikes. But the more and more I thought about it, right? And the more and more I look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, right? That gives you a kind of idea of where what we usually do headed into the halving cycle. I've showed you guys many times. I'm not going to show you again, but we usually trade sideways. It kind of dawned on me like, okay, it seems like this is a shakeout, family, because they knew that if they pause, because inflation has been showing that it's been sticky. Just think about the months where we didn't have a meeting, right? We skipped the meeting. Every time we skipped the meeting, inflation started rising again, right? We're starting to see oil rise again. We're starting to see food rise again. Everything is starting to rise again, right? And they paused the last FOMC meeting. So in my opinion, they should have just continued to do 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. But this is what we do heading into the halving cycle. We trade sideways because what they're doing is they're giving the big players an opportunity to load their bags, whether it be crypto, whether it be the traditional stock market, whatever, bonds, whatever. This is the cycle where institution elites are loading their bags. So the key is, though, to shake out retail, right? To put you in a position where you're either running out of money or you completely lose confidence in crypto. That's what they want us to do, right? So when crypto starts pumping again and the market start pumping again, guess what you do? You buy up at the tops. This is a game that not everybody is going to become wealthy, okay? So BlackRock predicts the U.S. economy is in for a roller coaster inflation and could be headed for an ultra rare full employment recession, right? A full employment recession, right? The U.S. economy is facing unpredictable inflation. There's a possibility it may go into this recession despite family low unemployment. So that tells me that people are keeping their jobs, right? People are keeping their jobs. The economy is not bad enough where you're seeing too many businesses going out of business or too many businesses laying people off, but they're continuously in the media drowning us out that we're going in a recession. We're going in a recession. In fact, family, they've been saying this for the last year that, if we say we're in a recession, we've been in a recession. So how long either have we been in a recession or how long before we get in a recession? Okay. So I just think that this is a huge shakeout, man. I think this is a huge shakeout. This is an opportunity for the elites to load up their bags. That's just my theory. Let me know your theory in the comments, all right? We'll continue to monitor the situation. You can see here Bitcoin sitting at 29.3. The DXY, stubborn DXY, back above the support, which we thought we turned this into resistance, but now it's above it, which makes it support. It's been trading against it. Huge fake out, maybe to trick people into buying these high risk assets, only to get dumped on. So again, I just think that we're in a cycle where we're going to continue to just trend sideways. Accumulation here, whether it be altcoin season, Bitcoin, it doesn't matter. The VIX even has been very, 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 very boring. Anywhere between 13 and 15. So, you got to expect this to happen. I just found it interesting because we got 4 hours left into the FOMC meeting that 98% of people want a 0.25, right? But why didn't we get a 0.25 last meeting? Why pause? Because now that you pause, you put inflation in a position to go back up, to be sticky. So I could potentially see Powell saying, hey, we might have to continue to raise federal rate hikes because inflation is sticky, knowing that they paused last week and made inflation sticky. If they would have never paused, we would have continued to be able to tame inflation and maybe possibly get to our 2% goal by the end of the year. Just doesn't look like that at this point, family. We already know how this goes. We get the 0.25, it goes into it. We pump because the market already prices in. Then Powell starts talking, right? He starts talking down on the market. He starts saying how it's more federal rate hikes. And then we start dumping. Because I think he's going to be a little bit hawkish, right? I think that the stats are going to show him that inflation is still being sticky. Yet he paused last month. It's just crazy, man. It's allegedly, man. It's allegedly. I can see why people allegedly say that it's a lot of manipulation going on, man. It's sometimes it's disappointing. I kind of feel for the people that don't have a steady income, that's really wanting to make this Bitcoin bull run, this next bull run, wanting to make it the one that counts, right? I just hope and pray everybody can consistently, man, have an income where they can keep up with the market, man. Keep up with the market, because we don't know how long this manipulation may go. They want to get their bags up and they want to shake out the market. Everybody is not meant to become a crypto millionaire, unfortunately. So I was just doing some, doing some research, doing some Millie research, doing research with Millie, you feel me? Oil going back up. Y'all let me know how it is in your state, country, or city, man. Is inflation running wild? Inflation is sticky. Maybe inflation starts to trade sideways because they won't do what they need to do to tame this inflation, right? They won't just 0.75 it, break something. They want to act like they're about to break something, but not really break something. Just be very passive. It seems like the passiveness is all designed, right, to shake out the market, make this thing as slow as possible, headed into the next bull cycle. So I'm extremely you can see homelessness going up here, man. Like I said, I just pray everybody has a stable income, man, and can keep up with this market, man, because we don't know how long this BS may go, man. At some point, we need replacements, man. We need some people that understand the technology. It's kind of, and it's heartbreaking to see these other countries, and I'm speaking from the States, because I know this doesn't speak for, I know it's a lot of people that cover my channel from other countries. You guys get an opportunity to use leverage, 10x, 100x. You feel me? Y'all got the perfect opportunity. Take advantage of that, man. Y'all can use leverage. We can't do that out here in the States, right? Y'all got countries coming out here and embracing the crypto technology, embracing Bitcoin. We don't get that out here. So it's like 100 times harder. I know this, and I appreciate where I'm at. I know this is the land of opportunity. I get it. Like, I appreciate where I'm at. But as far as the future of technology, I'm extremely concerned. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.